Welcome back to Trollies. I know it's been dead over here on the YouTube for a while, but I was still posting over on my blog on Substack, so if you haven't checked that out, be sure to do so. But well, I'm back doing something I've talked about all summer, the random Tram game. So, there's this Aussie from Scotland named Scott, who got planes, trains, everything, and introduced me to this game idea. And being an Aussie from Scottish heritage, why don't I do the same thing here in my native Philadelphia? So, today I'm going to focus on the 5 subsurface lines, 10, 11, 13, 34, 36. And whenever I roll on my phone, thanks to Joe, like showing that there's dies on the internet now, that will tell us which route to get to. 1, and this numbering system is based on the new future metro system. I'll be talking about that in this video as well, probably as a voiceover. So 1 would be the 10, which goes to Overbrook. 2 would be the 34, which goes to Angora. 3 and 4 would go to Darby, although the 3 sends a short turn a little bit before that. And then 5 goes to Eastwick, but that's currently a short turn at the moment. It doesn't even connect to the airport line. Hopefully they want to do that at some point. Darby it is. Took a sec, but I found my way down. So let's see what's in first. Check my math, and I'm on the correct trolley, which is currently the Route 11, but will become the T4 under the metro system. So the trolley entered as an 11, but it's leaving as a 34, but that's perfect because they want to get off at the 40th Street portal anyway. Our first subsurface actually started above ground in the mid-1850s and the 11, along with some former routes like the 30, 31, 37, and 38. They all started going into that tunnel a lot earlier on than the 13, but they're having some periods where they weren't going in and out and turning at 40th. And so they would stay their old course to front Chestnut, by Chestnut or Walnut, because that was where the ferry terminals were, leaving the 5 lines that still use the tunnel today. The 11 is the only line on the road that actually crosses non-trolley trackage at grade. And now is actually the site of the Baltimore and Ohio's Darby station, which closed in 1958. Speaking of that connection, there is that 13 also has 49th Street, not like it's as connected as a direct transfer, but it's there. Yeadon Loop, there's a bus connection at Yeadon Loop. And presently, as I've talked about already, is that the 11 will become the T4 Woodland Avenue, and the 13 would become the T3 Chester Avenue. But the main reason that the 13 has limited service is that section was actually taken over, was actually briefly used by a different trolley, 62. And also sometimes that route does actually terminates at Mount Moriah instead of going all the way to Yeadon. So why get off just outside the portal? Well, for 1, this is a perfect spot to film, but 2, there is a city campus of St. Joseph's, and I looked at the main campus, but I was never really interested in looking at it from the beginning. But my dad went to Episcopal Academy, and for a time that one of their campuses was right across from St. Joseph's, and bought that, so it was a bit of nostalgia there for him, I guess. Okay, there's 11 going the other way. But we're not gonna hop all the way over to St. Joseph's. I'm just gonna walk down there and get a look at things, and actually a cemetery right across the street, but there's no real good place to cross, I guess. Okay, there's a crosswalk over there. Oh, sorry, buddy. I just probably bought on somebody else's garbage. I'm assuming there's some diversion tracks right here, because those were probably used during the trolley blitz. Those are because old trolleys were turning at 40th Street, and then you had to take the L into the city. Yeah, this is part of the city campus for St. Joseph's. And I think Bartram's Gardens is down this way. I think it's so local that, being a member of my local botanical garden, that the reciprocity would be null. But I don't have my pass on me today, so that's totally fine, since I'm using my mom for that. But hey, if I stumble upon it and it's open, I'm assuming this is all just dorms over here. Decided to deviate from our routing for a bit. Check out Clark Park. I thought it's a huge area on the map, and a lot of lines cross here. Like you have, let me see, 11 and 36 down there, 34 on the other end. I also believe Mia Wallline has a stop close by on the other end as well. Maybe it's still a little warm to go in jeans today. So there's a smoothie truck and a taco truck. But I did see another one closer to the campus. Looks like a lot of people were into. And it's about 11:30 now. So I can have lunch a bit earlier. So I found a good place. A really enough place. Maybe I can go back here and sit down, maybe go check my mapping, go another block or two, and see how things go. Very juicy. Roll's pretty met though. Decided to walk a bit further, closer to where the 34 and the 11 split. Because there's other stuff down there too, like, because it's the main building for St. Joseph's Center City right there. Yeah, there's a nice little center to the park right here, I guess. I'm also guessing this bridge part right here was recently rebuilt. And that there is a northeast corridor. There's not a train for like at least 10 minutes, and like, I'm a little high, I don't want to wait for that, and it would be Amtrak's be nice, but yeah, I'm not really feeling that right now.
A few moments later.
Oh no, poor cat. Poor cat. I was wrong, this is the Media Wawa line, and the next train for that is around the same time as it would have been for the Amtrak. Cross right along this corridor and past the G. Really tell how more suburbanized it is here in the 60s, high 50s. And it was just a bit closer, like we were at 48th Street and St. Joseph's.
And Woodland for Route 12 and 52.
my camera I went saw horses, and the next 13 won't be here until after 2, and it's only 12:30 now, so I'm gonna walk back up toward Eden Loop. Was there a shed here? Still using the PCCs. And we've made it to Eden. It's okay, there is some parkland back there. I can't figure out how to access it. So I'm not gonna do a thing there, but so I'll just do it up here. So, where are we going from here? So, after Labor Day, in my mind, I'm gonna go to Cape May. Hope to get a video tour of that. It's actually closed out September. So it sounds like the routine and future G line is gonna be resuming with the PCCs on September 10th. I'm gonna try and make that, and that would become the second video for September. And then October would be Cape May, unless something else pops up at the end of September, beginning of October that really fits in with the fall Halloween season. But yeah, if nothing really fits that, then Cape May will be the content for October, but I feel like I'll always push that back to after Christmas if there's more interesting stuff to do and relevant. But at the end of October, we're going to go to the Ren Fair and probably visit Hershey Gardens and the Hershey Story Museum. So that's the plan with that, which leaves December open. So yeah, I'm at Eden. Just gonna take the first trolley back up to 30th Street and get out home from there. So yeah, till next time, click subscribe, show the bell, Instagram, Threads, @leisure, show the Substack, and I'll see you around.